welcome to the video of the day. Today we're doing something different, and for all the men out there, and maybe women that want to cut the men's hair, we're going to talk about how to do it from home. What do you need to be successful with cutting your own hair from home? Let's get into it. So welcome back, NLP Fusion from Normal Way King to the Third. Today we're going to talk about what you need, do's and don'ts, to get your hair cut yourself from home during the pandemic, as a lot of people want to get their haircuts. So I have my Osmo Pocket here. I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that you need so you get an idea of, first and foremost, what do you need to cut your own hair. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to need is a blow dryer. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and you wash your hair and then you blow dry your hair. The last thing you want to have is hat hair, or have something like over here sticking down and over here it's up. You want to really be able to see everything from left to the right and see like the angles of where you're at, okay? So you want to wash your hair, blow dry your hair. Then you're going to want to have all of your different hair pieces that you need. So these are going to be your different trimming sizes, also scissors, and you're going to want to have your actual trimmer. So we went with the Volt. This is going to just be a super simple trimmer, and these are the things that you're going to need to get started. Then after you wash your hair, blow dry your hair, we can start to get cutting. Alright, so now we're going to get the hair nice and wet, because you want to start off with getting the hair wet. You don't want to have the hat hair like I talked about. So first step, water in the hair. Next, blow dry. Okay, so you always want to start with the highest, okay? This is going to be a number 8. Put your number 8 on here, and you can also do additional length by taking this and going this way. Not this way, and I'll lengthen it. So this is the thing. Don't go here, okay? Because if you go here, you're going to go like an inch to an inch and a half on top. We're going to use the scissors a little bit later on, okay? And what you want to do is you want to start here, and then you want to go and you want to start by fading up, and you want to go up until you start to hear it catch. As soon as it catches, then you just go little by little, let it catch, and then back to the hardest. And I'll show you how to make that happen. So you may not hear it catch. If you do not hear it catch, then get a little bit more courageous, okay? You gotta come into this with a positive mindset and not think to yourself that you're gonna screw up, okay? So you're gonna go up until you hear it kind of catch. I'm not hearing much, so that means I can go from, say, the 8 to the next size down. So let's go ahead and go to a 7, and you can go pretty quick with this. You don't have to take forever. 7, we're doing TikTok as well. 7, and then you go here again until you can try to get it to catch. And you just want to hear a little, you'll lightly hear it. You can't really hear it on camera, but as you go up, you'll lightly hear it, and you don't want to go too high, because if you go too high, what that's going to do is it's automatically going to cut the top section of your hair, and the last thing you want to have is a big gash out the side of your head. 6, 5. Now I'm used to doing this, so I can go pretty fast on the back, and I'm just feeling for the cut. And then now lower. Now we're at 4. Now I'm starting to feel this catch a lot more at 4, so this is good. So I'm going to just go around and stick with like going up until about here, and not go too high. You don't want to go up here, you just want to stay down here on the side. And what you want to do is you want straight edge on both sides. Go around so I don't hear it anymore. So the same exact stroke that I've been doing, and I'm waiting to see if I can keep hearing it or if I don't hear it. And then what you can do is you can take the adjuster and you can go from here, this is full length, go down, make it so it's a little bit shorter. It's considered a half. So if I'm using a 4 and I take this and I go up with it, that's 4.5. I go down with it, it's a true 4. 3 and a half. Now I'm starting to feel this even more than I was before. So I'm not going to go too high with this, because I do not want to cut the top of my hair. Now I'm going to start getting this fluffy stuff right here, and I'm just going to go straight up. And when you look in the mirror, look straight on and make sure that you're staying even. Now I'm going to go down to a true 3, up going to 2, and I went, that's 2, and went up, it's 2.5. And this is where you want to be very careful and conscious of what you're doing, because you do not want to get overzealous. You want to get too confident here and try to cut your hair and go too high and find yourself going and dealing with a situation where you're like, I just cut my hair and this is not going to, you have to come back from cutting your hair too short. It's just not, you had to wait weeks for it to come back. Okay, so I feel pretty confident. Now when I look right here, you can see, like, I don't know if you see it on camera, but it kind of divots in it a little bit here. So I want this to be lower. So we're gonna go lower, have a 1. So I'm gonna go a half. This is considered a 15 millimeter. This is 1/16. So I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go from here to full length it. It's almost as when I cut the bottom section. You're gonna see a huge difference. You're gonna see the hair really start to fall off down here, okay? You start seeing the hair fall off. So you can see the difference from here, and you can see here. You see the difference from here and from here. It's already starting to come down. And what I would suggest is just go to about, don't go all the way up here, just go low. The lower that you go, the better. That's a huge tip. Go nice and low, and then you'll see a sharp, solid line right there. This is nice and faded, so watch. So I'm gonna go all the way around, even with the back. Back here, and I'm just going to keep it low. Keep it low, and as I go back and forth, I'm looking left, I go back, I look right, and I keep it super simple, where I just keep it down here, to this line right here. Keep it right here. Don't go too high. Now I'm going to rotate, and I like to go straight around like this, and go a couple passes, and literally you're just going this length, and keep it tight to your ear and down, and you're going to get that line. Now I'm going to go up with it, and I'm going to start to fade. So I'm going to go up, and you look at your hairline, and when you start fading, you just go up. So you take the shaver, and you just go up and out, up and out, up and out. And then another trick as well is you could take it and take it flat and go like this. Flat and like this. Now I highly, highly recommend, if you're going to go bald, don't go bald. Don't go and take this off like this. Don't do this to your head, because it's going to be too bold and you're going to find yourself having issues. Where now that I got the sides pretty good, what I like to do too in the back is I like to fill. You fill the back and see if it feels good. So now I'm going to go 4, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to try to work on the sides here. So I'm going to work on the sides here. And now I can get a little courageous and come in here like this and work on just making sure that it's not too fluffy up top. So I'm coming just right here, and I'm lightly giving it a fade. Okay, light. So I'm picking it up, a little bit in the back too, slight. And get a little courageous here. I'm filling. I'm moving my head and keeping my arm steady. Another tip for the back of your hair that you could do is mirror, and you can go like this, and you can look at the back of your head. Now, if you cut your hair, you're going to go from here, and you're going to go like this. Now, this is the caveat. When you're looking at the mirror, looking backwards. So be careful when you're cutting, and you're here, and you're doing this. It's going to be backwards. So just remind yourself, left is right, right is left. So now, scissors. What you want to do is you're not going to want to go like straight up, right? What I want to do is what I've learned from different people cutting my hair is I'm going to look for like there's some pieces up here that's kind of big, and I really want to fade in these sides right here. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go straight down, and I'm going to pick up, straight up like this. Okay? So I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go from the sides, and I'm just going to go, it's almost like I'm picking my hair, like you're picking, like, say, your pimples. So pick, and I'm just going to go super fast. Be careful, take your time. I've done this quite a bit, so be careful and don't, like, stab yourself in the head. Okay? Style is going to just be a traditional, fade, and then I'm not doing a hard line. If you're going to be doing a hard line in your hair, be that professionals or your loved ones if they cut hair. So now I can see here, it's not perfect. I'm seeing this here, and it's not perfect. So I'm going to come back in, and I'm going to do some fine tuning. So I'll fine tune with like 2, and get this just right. This is what you do at the end. You fine tune. You come back in, and you make sure it's not too puffy, so it's nice and clean. So now it's looking a little bit more clean, and now I'm seeing still something right here. right? Or you can use one, and I'm gonna go straight up like this. Straight up like this. And you always either go straight up, or you go straight up and out. Do not go straight up and in. You will have major issues with that. If I were you, I would start simple and go and try to cut your hair longer than shorter, so you always have more room to work with. It's easier to go longer, and if you mess up, you can cut some more off instead of going shorter, and then you have to wait weeks to cut it again. And by that time, this pandemic should be over and you should be completely fine. So now, it's pretty much done, and what I can do is I can take the scissors, trim it. So this is a little high, so I'm gonna go in here, and then trim this down just a tad bit, and get this a little bit lower. There you have it. That's how you cut your hair on your own, from your home, and your wife or your partner can help you. Start high, go low, don't go too short from the beginning. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, follow, comment below if this was helpful, and share it with someone you think they should see it. See you in the next video. There you have it, final product, and ready to get the day started, feeling fresh, and not letting anything get me down as far as this quarantine. It can challenge you, it can change you. Grab the social media. Best of luck. Till the next one.